These are definitions of wage labor. Wage labor is the mode of production in which the laborer sells their capacity to work as a commodity. Marxist.org. Employment as an employee for a specific weekly wage or monthly salary, normally on terms and conditions determined by the employer, whose offer may be constrained by employment law, collective bargaining agreements, or pressure from trade unions. The term is often used to emphasize the weak bargaining position of people who have only their own labor to sell and may be exploited. Encyclopedia.com.
Wage labor is the concept of being paid for work on an hourly basis. In a job that pays hourly, workers are rewarded based on the duration of time that they work rather than for the amount of work they actually accomplish.
Jobs that use wage labor for compensation are highly dependent on the labor market. When the supply of workers is high, the optimal wage for an employer to offer will be lower. In most countries, the government will often set a minimum wage so that workers can never make too little money to support themselves. This is typically referred to as a livable wage.
Recently, the governor of California, Governor Brown, helped make progress with a bill to increase the minimum wage to $15. Minimum wage is a component of wage labor in which people work hourly for a certain price.
Wage labor is part of Simmel's 5 stages of depersonalization. In-kind transactions involve no monetary value, but the trading of goods. Piecework involves contracting for different projects. Salary is a fixed amount of payment over a period of time, such as a year of work. Honorarium is rewarding someone for something they've achieved, and wage labor is payment for hourly work.
Wage labor is different than in-kind, piecework, salary, and honorarium in how depersonalized it is. Wage labor falls right in the middle, suggesting a combination of very personalized and very depersonalized. Salary and honorarium are less directly tied to one's productivity than wage labor, so employees can easily separate their public and social life.